In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Whatnot. If you're new to the platform, think of Whatnot as a live shopping marketplace where sellers stream in real time and you can bid on items as they're shown. I'll walk you from landing on the site to placing a winning bid so you know exactly what to expect. First, head to Whatnot using your browser or the mobile app. Once you're on the homepage, take a second to get oriented. You'll typically see featured shows, trending categories, and streams that are live right now. This gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening across the platform. Next, click Browse. This opens up a wider view of what's available and is the easiest way to explore. You can browse by category to narrow things down, which is perfect if you already know the kind of items you're after, like fashion, collectibles, or accessories. Scrolling through categories helps you quickly sort through the noise and find the right lane for your interests. When you spot a category that looks promising, click it. Inside, you'll see seller pages associated with that tag. Each seller page usually shows whether they're live, upcoming show times, and a sense of the style or types of items they feature. This is a handy way to get a feel for who might match your taste before you hop into a stream. Browse through these seller pages until one catches your interest. Maybe it's the style of items, the photos on their page, or the show title. When you found a seller you like, click into their page to learn more, and if they're live, join the stream. Once you're in a live stream, you're in the center of the action. The seller will present items one at a time. You'll see the current bidding information on screen. The seller sets a starting price, sometimes as low as $1, and you'll notice a yellow bid button showing the current bid amount. There's also a timer for each lot, so you can track how much time is left. To place a bid, tap and swipe right on the yellow bid button. The app automatically raises your bid by a preset increment, so you don't have to type anything in. If your bid is the highest, you'll hold the lead until someone outbids you or the timer runs out. When the timer hits 0, the highest bidder wins the item. You'll see an on-screen confirmation right away. That's it. You've just bought on Whatnot. Explore categories, find a seller you like, join their live, watch the bidding price, swipe to bid, and win when the clock runs out. Enjoy the thrill of live shopping and happy hunting.